morning, everyone. It's Subaru trade-in time. We're trading in our autumn green Ascent and getting a new model. And I want to keep these crossbars. I want to take them off and put them on my new one, but I can't get them off. So, plenty of install videos on how to install them, but I didn't see anything about how to get it off. So, what I did was loosen this a little bit with the tool. Now I'm going to finish doing it by hand. But as you can see, these things are pretty solid. How do you get it off, right? So I already did this to the other side, but check this out. Take a flathead screwdriver and just pry and pop it in there a little bit. It breaks the seal and you're able to basically reverse the process and swivel this thing loose. Get it off. What I figured out too is you also need to pop the seal on the top, because these things are like suction cupped in there with the rubber seal. Hopefully that helped you all. I figured this one out for myself. Continue removing these things and go pick up our new Ascent. Thanks for watching.